Hello, I'm Steve. I had trouble getting out of my vehicle just across the parking lot. I had a lot of pain coming up the stairs into my home. It was pretty severe at times. I had a few days that it would be better, but a lot of the times it was just painful, all day long.
One of the things you wanted to, or you had trouble with, was it walking distances?
Oh yeah.
How far could you walk?
Not very far. 100 feet without, I would have a lot of pain. I didn't really want to walk much further. I used to do a lot of hiking, and I wasn't able to do it anymore. It would just get to the point where it just hurt so much, the quality of life was going downhill.
And it's pain in both knees, right?
Oh, both knees were bad. I'd gone to a specialist, and he told me that the cartilage was gone between my knees, and he recommended me to have my knees replaced, which I didn't want to do. I walked out of here into the car, and I didn't really have a lot of pain at all that day, and the next few days it was a little painful, but that subsided, and I've had much less pain walking. I have a little bit of stiffness in my joints when I get up from a sitting position. I have to kind of get my balance, but once I flex my legs a few times and a few steps, I can walk quite a distance now and almost no pain. I've seen a difference. We just come back from Cape Cod, and we had to walk some distance over the dunes to get to the beach, and I was able to walk quite a distance, carrying beach paraphernalia with me and a cooler and things like that, which I don't think I would have been able to do before.
That's great. So you see big difference.
Yeah, oh yeah, a big difference.